If you're a heat and nursing technician or even a salesperson, what is a red flag for you when it comes to starting a new job, when it comes to getting the work done or fulfillment, and why does it matter? This is a super important question. I'm Sylvan Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a fantastic day to talk about you and a fantastic day to talk about business, coming to you live from Sacramento. All right, so let's just go through this quick list. You've started a new job. They've got really easy processes for you to follow. They've got good delivery and outcome. They have something special to offer. You get paid on time. The fourth flag that you should really be looking for, number 5, is they don't want the deal. Believe it or not, there are some people that just don't want to do the work. And I worked for a company at one point, and when it came time to fulfillment, they would send somebody out to the job to go look at the install, to go look at the pre-install. And the guy that went out would literally look for reasons to not do the job. And then it would get relayed to the office. Well, we don't want to do this. Like, they wanted the perfect install. They wanted ease. They wanted just, I don't have to put any work. I don't have to put any effort. I don't have to really do anything. And they wanted the job that every installer wants to do, which is in Sacramento, in California, a furnace in a garage, upflow, up position, and an air conditioner outside on the ground, which is the easiest job to do. The second job that they wanted was a furnace in the attic with no modifications. And if it was any type of complication, they would start like, well, maybe you don't want to do it, and this is going to be hard, and this is, and I'll tell you what it came down to. Hands down, this is what it was. They didn't want to pay the install team. And so the install team really wasn't paid that much money. And because the install team wasn't paid that much money, they didn't really want to do the work. I mean, you don't blame them, right? Cool dudes, awesome people, right? Some of them were really good installers. But like there was I don't get paid enough to do this. So sometimes fulfillment inside of an organization, sometimes fulfillment inside of a company can come down to, I don't want to do it. And so you may have worked your butt off to stay out late to close a deal, to be on the phone 27,000 times, to send 55 emails, 4 in-person visits, go get the job locked down. And nope, there was somebody who went out there, looked at the job and said, here's all the reasons why we can't do it. Here's all the reasons why it won't get done. Here's all the reasons why we shouldn't do it. Here's 7 reasons why you missed something. Here's 22 reasons why the job sucks. Here's 18 things that I can see why on a Wednesday on a full moon, this thing's not going to be perfect. They wanted the perfect job. And like, that doesn't happen all the time in every one of your industries or services. And this right here is why you should join my email publication. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which that means is go type in that URL, drop in your name, your email address, your phone number, probably. I'll give you the goods. You'll have some fun. So if you're like, hey, Scott, why does this matter? Well, here's the thing. You put in all the time, the energy, and the effort to close that deal. You met with the buyer. You overcame their objections. You overcame a lot of their objections. And you had these conversations. And you did your job. You should get paid for it, right? It shouldn't be that there's somebody that finds all the reasons why the job shouldn't go. And if it's a new company, like, you want to find this out fast. You want to find this out quick. And like, if it's a new company before summer, you really want to know this because, like, get a new job, find somewhere else to work, go have a conversation with a different employer. Like, the perfect time, there is a perfect time for you to switch companies, and it's usually by March or April, but latest May. Because here's what's going to happen is, like, the busiest, like, pick your season, right? You might have to adjust those months, especially if you're in the trades. You may look and go, hey, there's a busy season. I need to get ahead of it, and I need to get like myself into the rotation of the salespeople. And if this isn't going to work for you, you want to know early on. You want those red flags. You want those problems. You want those issues, right? Everything should be streamlined as much as it can. It's not your fault. It's not your responsibility. Like, you got to stop accepting responsibility for things that aren't yours. That's really what it comes down to. Somebody doesn't want to do what you sold, go find a company that does. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here, just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it. And every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.